Collision. Problem. Consider a bullet of mass 8 grams, moving at a velocity of 320 meters per second, that strikes a wooden block of mass 2 kilograms, resting on a flat horizontal surface as shown. The bullet becomes embedded in the block. Calculate the speed of the block bullet system immediately after the collision. Also, identify the type of collision involved. Ignore the effects of air friction. Solution. Let us choose the direction of motion of bullet. That is, towards the right, to be positive. The bullet block system can be considered as an isolated system, as there are no external forces acting in the horizontal direction on the system. Do note that there is a net external force acting in the vertical direction on the bullet, the force of gravity, but it does not affect the momentum in the horizontal direction. According to the law of conservation of momentum, initial momentum of the system before the collision equals final momentum of the system after the collision. That is, vector Pi equals vector Pf, m bullet times vector Vi bullet plus m block times vector Vi block equals m bullet plus m block times vector Vf. Therefore, Vf equals 1,27 meters per second towards the right. The collision is an inelastic type of collision, as the bullet gets embedded in the wooden block. The kinetic energy of the bullet is partially converted to permanent deformation of the block. Kinetic energy is not conserved.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with